what I want to talk to y'all about is, I really want to talk to all my people out there, with these drug addictions and all that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Fighting that, you know what I mean? Most of the time, the majority of people that I know try things out when they're going through puberty, when they're feeling uncomfortable with themselves. You know what I mean? Early teens or tweens or whatever the hell and all that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then it becomes something that they've taken with them that's lasting decades. And they haven't grown up out of. A lot of times I hear people saying, "Oh, I've been doing this and I've been doing that all my life." But that means that you haven't grown sometimes. Sometimes that's what that means. You're basing your whole life on something that you yourself should view as childish because you adopted it when you was a child. But that goes for a lot of different things, right? But so we grab these habits and then we struggle with them for all these decades. But eventually, we realize that we don't want it, and we eventually get it out of our lives. I've seen it with so many different people. Everybody thought their lives was over with, ruined up. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to quit. You know what I'm saying? You tried some, you did some, yeah, but ain't nothing wrong with leaving it behind. It's not you. When people say, this is you, or this is me, yeah, that's not you, man. That's a decision that you are making. And you can't come up if you're steady digging. You know what I'm saying? If you're steady digging in your pocket, digging this, spending all this time thinking about how you're going to get this high, to do this and that and the other. There's so many people in your life that you love that you're disrespecting because you're not able to give them any time to focus out of your mind. You know what I'm saying? Out of your thought process. You know what I'm saying? Then when you get it, you're high for whatever amount of time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, these things, we don't want nothing like that having control of our communities. You know what I'm saying? So, a lot of people have struggled with it, but it's not something. You are a whole human being. Human beings created these type of drugs. You know what I'm saying? That means you have the power and the ability to at least say no to it. You know what I'm saying? So don't ever doubt your power and your ability to say no to it. And then you can keep stepping on that, you know what I'm saying? Keep putting one foot in front of the other and get somewhere, because a lot of times you already know you don't want that stuff in the future. You don't like the way it is now, it ain't getting you where you thought it was going to get you. You know what I'm saying? It's just, something that has become perpetual, and it's only perpetual because it has no power. You understand? You are saying, hey, all right? Say no sometimes.